How to cancel Amazon Kids subscription on phone for free. Please leave a like if this helps. So on your phone, open up the web browser and go to the Amazon homepage. So I'm going to go to amazon.co.uk since I live in the UK. So now that I'm signed in, I'm going to click my profile to the top right of the Amazon homepage and then scroll down until you see My Subscriptions. Here it is, your membership and subscriptions. On this page, if you scroll down, you will see Amazon Kids as well as a cancel subscription button. So click on the cancel subscription button that is underneath Amazon Kids. It will then give the option to pause subscription, but go down to the bottom, click on continue to cancel, cancel subscription, and it will then say subscription updated. Your subscription will end. Thank you for being a subscriber, and you are now unsubscribed from Amazon Kids Plus.